The 2027 Ram 1500 is shaping up to be the most complete full-size pickup truck this segment has ever produced. And if you're driving a 2026, this video is going to make that decision feel very premature. If you've been holding off on a new truck because nothing on the market truly covers every base, daily comfort, serious performance, genuine luxury, and smart value, the 2027 Ram 1500 is being built as a direct answer to that problem. Most trucks ask you to pick 2 or 3 of those things and settle for the rest, but this one is arriving with all of them. And 6 reasons you should wait for the 2027 Ram 1500 are coming up right now. Number 6. Range extender is coming. Think about the situation for a moment. You're driving a work truck that needs to cover a serious distance, but range anxiety is still sitting in the back of your mind. That's the gap the 1500 Rev range extender variant is going to close, and it does so in a way no other truck currently on the market can match. The Rev is not a traditional hybrid and not a pure EV. It sits squarely in between. Most people assume that going electric means accepting a shorter leash. The Rev flips that entirely. A 3.6-liter V6 works as a dedicated generator, not driving the wheels directly, but continuously recharging the battery pack that powers the front and rear electric motors. The result is a combined output of 647 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque, with up to 145 miles of pure electric driving range before the gas engine needs to engage at all. Add a full tank of fuel, and the total claimed range climbs to 690 miles, which is more than any current battery electric rival can offer. There is also DC fast charging capability, taking the battery from 20 to 80% in roughly 45 minutes. And on the work side, the Rev is going to be capable of towing up to 14,000 pounds, actually more than the standard 1500. For anyone who has wanted the EV driving experience without the limitations, this is the version worth waiting for, and it is going to be available exclusively in mid-range and upper trims. But the Rev is only one piece of the powertrain story, and what's coming next is going to be very different in character. Number 5. Rumble Bee, high-performance monster. Now, the Rev is a fascinating piece of engineering, but there are buyers who have no interest in electrification whatsoever. They want displacement, noise, and brute acceleration, and that brings us to something the truck world has not seen in a very long time. The Rumble Bee name is back, and Ram is turning it into a full lineup of street performance trucks. 3 variants are going to be available: the base Rumble Bee, the 392, and the range-topping Rumble Bee SRT. The SRT is the one that is going to make headlines. Under the hood sits a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 producing 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. Ram claims a 0 to 60 time of 3.4 seconds and a quarter-mile pass in 11.6 seconds, which are numbers that put serious sports cars on notice. Here is what many people get wrong about performance trucks. They assume power and handling are opposites, that you get the straight line numbers, but the truck handles like a barge through a corner. The Rumble Bee SRT is built specifically to prove that assumption wrong. The frame has been stiffened to reduce flex by 10%, the track is wider, and the suspension sits lower. It gets second-generation Bilstein adaptive dampers, 6-piston Brembo front brakes measuring 16.1 inches, and 325 section width all-season tires. The air suspension drops an additional 1.5 inches in track mode, and launch control is standard. Ram is claiming this truck can handle sustained racetrack use in 100-degree heat, and that tells you everything about how seriously they are taking the chassis here. The Rumble Bee and the Rev are both extraordinary machines, but most buyers are going to be choosing something in between, and the standard engine lineup turns out to be more compelling than most people expect. Number 4. Excellent engine options. The Rev and the Rumble Bee will attract attention, but most buyers are going to land in the standard powertrain lineup, and that lineup is as comprehensive as anything in the full-size truck segment right now. 4 distinct options are on the table. The base is a 3.6-liter V6 with mild hybrid assistance, producing 305 horsepower. Above that sits the returning 5.7-liter Hemi V8 mild hybrid assisted, rated at 395 horsepower, still carrying the exhaust character V8 loyalists have always valued. Then there is the Hurricane, Ram's twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 in either 420 or 540 horsepower. Several independent testers recorded a 4.2-second 0 to 60 run in the 540 horsepower version, which is seriously quick for a full-size truck. A lot of buyers spend years in a truck that was never quite right, underpowered for towing, or thirstier than necessary daily. Matching the engine to your actual life rather than compromising is what this lineup makes possible. Every option pairs with a smooth 8-speed automatic, and that depth of choice simply does not exist at this level anywhere else in the segment. Now, all those powertrains need somewhere to live, and the cabin they are going into is worth discussing on its own terms. Number 3. Classy interior. There is a reason automotive journalists keep returning to the Ram 1500 when truck interiors come up. It has been setting the benchmark that everyone else is chasing, and the 2027 model is continuing that without giving any ground. The crew cab offers generous space, practical storage throughout, and seating options including front buckets or a bench with a fold-down console. Standard infotainment runs on a 12-inch touchscreen with an optional 14.5-inch display available in higher trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the range, and audio choices climb from a 6-speaker bass unit to a 23-speaker Klipsch system at the top. Think about how much time you spend inside your truck. For many people, that is 2 hours a day or more. That cabin is essentially a second office, and its quality matters in ways that only become clear over months of ownership. Ram has engineered the 1500's interior around exactly that reality. Consistent materials, logical layout, and a refinement level that the Silverado's cabin has simply never been able to match. But if the standard interior already performs at this level, what Ram is doing with its upper trims belongs in a different conversation entirely. Number 2. Genuine luxury. The standard cabin is already strong, but upper trims of the 2027 Ram 1500 are moving into territory that has nothing to do with trucks anymore. This is genuine luxury SUV territory, and in some cases beyond it. Laramie trim brings heated and ventilated leather seats front and rear, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, power-folding mirrors, and 22-inch aluminum wheels before any options are added. At the top, the tungsten trim delivers quilted leather upholstery, 24-way adjustable seats with massage, and a suede headliner priced just under $92,000. Most buyers assume that true premium comfort means an SUV or a luxury sedan. The upper trim Ram 1500 challenges that directly. Each step through the Laramie, Longhorn, Limited, and Tungsten represents genuinely different equipment and materials. Not badge upgrades, but real differences in how the truck feels to live with. No full-size truck lineup currently executes that escalating premium experience as consistently as this one. And with all of that in place, the final reason to wait may actually be the most persuasive of all. Number 1. Excellent value. With everything covered in this video, the price question becomes an important one, and the answer is more favorable than you might expect. The 2027 Ram 1500 is going to start at around $45,000 for the base tradesman. The Big Horn with the Hurricane Inline 6 and Level 2 equipment group comes in just over $55,000, bringing 20-inch alloy wheels, a 12-inch touchscreen, heated seats, a 7-inch digital gauge cluster, dual-zone climate control, and 9-speaker audio. A comparably equipped F-150 or Silverado at that price gives you leaf spring rear suspension and a smaller screen. The Ram gives you coil spring rear suspension, a difference you feel on every pothole and every long highway stretch. Add the industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, a cabin that outclasses the competition, and a powertrain range stretching from a mild hybrid V6 to a 777-horsepower supercharged V8, and the ownership picture becomes clear. The sticker may not always be the lowest in the segment, but what comes with it consistently outpaces what cheaper alternatives deliver, and that is what real value looks like. The 2027 Ram 1500 is arriving as a truck with no obvious weak points. From the range-extending rev that solves the core problem with electric trucks to the 777-horsepower Rumble B SRT redefining street performance pickups to a standard engine lineup offering 4 genuinely distinct choices, the powertrain story alone clears the bar most rivals are still trying to reach. Add a cabin that has led the segment for years, upper trims that deliver uncompromised luxury, and pricing that holds up at every level, and the case becomes difficult to argue with. The 2027 Ram 1500 is not asking you to compromise, and in a segment where compromise has long been the norm, that is worth waiting for. Still, it's not like the competition is just sitting and doing nothing about it. Although still a year or two away from a full redesign, the F-150, which you can check out in our next video, is coming with major updates under the hood, which include the massive 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 for the first time in a light-duty pickup.